One of the things that's underestimated on any road car is upgrading the brakes. So we're getting some nicely upgraded braided lines from HEL Performance. Sam's going to install these, and this is going to help the performance massively on track. So watch the end of the video for a bit of insight about what brake lines do.
Next, Carbonwurks product spotlight is HEL Performance. So these guys in this particular instance are related to braking technology. They started life back off in the 80s as hose equip and then changed to HEL Performance in the year 2000. So they deal with performance fluid transfer essentially. So for us, we've used quite a lot of their brake line system parts, particularly in our Clio 200 track car build. But they also deal with oil and oil cooling, oil transfer technology, as well as turbo accessories, so turbo oil feeds, turbo cooling solutions, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot that these guys have to offer. It's a premium product. They were the first to industry with a lot of the properties on their things. So they use only stainless and titanium materials to produce their parts. So these are all stainless, these braided lines. They were the first to offer this PVC coating, which you can see here, the coloured, which protects the finish of the braided line, but also any other parts of the car that it might come into contact with. Available in 15 colours these days. So this is a translucent red, or carbon look as they call it, red, which is what we've got for our JCW Mini development car. So this is a set of 4 lines, which is one for each caliper, each corner of the car, which I'll get fitted up as part of the first series of modifications for the track use of our car. Benefits of this, there's 2 main ones. Firstly, it's the anti-swell or sort of anti-bulging, so with the rubber hose technology as you get originally from factory, not so much on a brand new car, but certainly with older ones, will get to a point of degradation where under heavy braking application, which you get on track, the rubber has the ability to expand with the forces that are put through the brake pedal. The stainless braided line is completely resistant to that, as also it is resistant to corrosion, so these won't deteriorate with age either. So a really nice looking product. We're a great fan of them. We've been working with them for a long time. Again, offered for over 50 manufacturers, so lots of applications covered by these guys. They also offer custom applications, so as with the Clio, we gave them quite specific specifications and dimensions for what we needed, and they were able to supply, and in whatever colour we chose. So really nice to work with, straightforward to fit, which we'll show you some B-roll of, but essentially they connect the calipers to the car, fit those up and bleed them with fluid, and we'll be ready to go. So that should give us some nice sharp immediate brake response, which is exactly what you want when you're throwing a car around track. So that's HEL Performance. Check them out on our website, carbonwurks.com.